Morning students, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today we are discussing about the assignment number 6, current electricity, 10th class. So the first question is, two charges, okay, 2 microcoulombs and 1 microcoulombs are placed at a distance of 10 centimeters. The position of third charge from 2 microcoulombs between them, so that it does not experience any force. Does not experience any force means you have to find out null point. How to find out null point? So null point is equal to null point from 2 coulombs. You want 2 microcoulombs. Okay. Already we know that x is equal to 1 by root over q2 by q1, q2 by q1 plus 1. Okay, q2 by q1 plus 1. So here x is equal to, it is a ratio of it, you have to take same values, that is 10 centimeters by root over, okay, that is 1 by 2 plus 1. Okay, nearby the value that is equal to 10 by, okay, 1.77, that is equal to maybe 5.858, okay, 5.858, third option. And next one, deuteron and alpha particle are put in 1 angstrom. Already we know that 1 angstrom is equal to 10 power minus 10 centimeters, okay, 1 angstrom is equal to 10 power minus 10, and again in a part in a magnitude of intensity of electric field due to deuteron at alpha particle is in Newton per coulombs. So we have to here I think meters, okay, 1 minute. So first of all deuteron and alpha particle are put in a 1 angstrom. So electric field due to deuteron, electric field due to deuteron you have to take. So at alpha particle, you have to take E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R square, where it is one charge. So E is equal to F by Q. E is equal to F by Q, 1 Q is cancelled. Okay. So for example, E is equal to F by Q. Already we know that E F Q alpha 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q deuteron into Q alpha by R square. Okay, by into 1 by Q alpha, it's cancelled. So here E electric field due to alpha particle is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Qd, that is deuteron by R square. Okay, so we will get directly deuteron charge that is equal to 1 by 9 into 10 power 9 into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 16 by, okay, R square, 10 power minus 10 whole square. Okay, by using this we will get the value 1.44 into 10 power I think 11 Newton coulomb, Newton per coulomb. I think it is a third option. Okay, and next question, 2 point charges Q and 3Q minus 3Q are placed at some distance apart. Some distance apart. If the electric field at the location of Q is capital E, okay, with respect to Q is the electric field is capital E bar for example, and the field due to location minus 3Q. So minus 3Q you have to find out, minus 3Q have to find out. So here with respect to E electric field with respect to 3Q, okay, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 3Q by R square at a distance maybe, okay, you have to take here towards minus 3q, towards minus 3q, and towards plus q, E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q by r square. This is away from capital Q, away from capital Q. So what is the ratio? It is nothing but one is E. For example, it is E3Q EQ. Okay. So location of minus 3Q, minus 3Q into means 3 into, that is equal to E by 3. Okay. E by 3, where it is away with respect to this, so plus E by 3 in reverse direction. So that is in third option. Okay. And next question, two charges 4 into 10 power 9 minus 9 coulomb and minus 16 into 10 power minus 9 coulombs are separated by a distance 20 centimeters in air, 20 centimeters in air. Then the position of the neutral point from the small charge is small charge. So we have to find out that is null point here. Already we know that null point x is equal to r by, that is equal to root over q2 by q1 with respect to this a neutral point from the point small charge, so minus 1. Okay. And finally 20 by, okay, 20 by, it is in centimeters, I have to take centimeters, 20 by root over, that is 16 into 10 power minus 10 power minus 10 cancel by 4, that is minus 1, that is equal to 20 root 4, that is equal to 4, okay, that is equal to root over, 1 minute. One minute. Okay, so that is equal to 4, so that is 20. So here the null point x is equal to r by root over q2 by q1 minus 1, q2 by q1 minus 1. So here that is equal, directly you have to write 20 centimeters. Okay, directly you have to write 20 centimeters. 20 by, that is equal to 2 minus 1. So 20 by root over 4 minus 1, that is equal to 20, 2 minus 1, that is equal to 20 by 1, that is equal to 20 centimeters. Okay, third option. And last question, the number of electrons to be put on a spherical conductor of a radius 0.1 meter to produce an electric field of 0.036 Newton per coulomb just above its surface is, just above its surface. So already the given is directly 0.036 is equal to, so 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into, so 9 into 10 power 9 into number of electrons, n into charge 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19, okay, by, that is 0.1 meters, okay, 0.1 whole square, okay, by we will just get using this total calculation that n is equal to, you have to find out that is n, okay. So here 0.036 into 0.1 whole square by 9 into 10 power 9 into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. So n is equal to nearly 2.5 into 10 power 5, 2.5 into 10 power 5. Okay, this is third option. Okay, thank you very much.